Moving at the speed of light. Your life. WBZ News Radio 1030. Every day.
This is a lunch spread on Hanover Street here in the North End. It's not for the residents of the North End. It's not for people anywhere. It's for pachyderms, elephants who are coming over from the garden to have a little lunch on Hanover Street. Before the elephants show up, some clowns from Ringling Brothers are meeting the crowd and handing out noses.
There we go. All right. Thank you. There we go.
One more and say, hi, ladies! Now remember earlier, I asked you to think of some cool elephant style questions. Keep those in mind. I'll be coming around in just a second. You never measure each trunk is individual to the elephant itself. Some reach all the way to the ground, some go just barely.
So there are the elephants eating lunch. You can see all the people enjoying the brunch show. Hey guys.
Hi.
What do you think of the elephants?
Funny and cool.
What are you saying?
Godzilla.
Godzilla?
Yeah, it's kind of like Godzilla.
They're kind of like Godzilla? Why do you say that? Because they're big and monstrous?
Yeah, well, you know, once an elephant went on a rampage once in the city.
Well, I hope these guys don't go on a rampage.
These girls for our girls, right here.
The pachyderms are smashing melons on Hanover Street. And so ends a successful, entertaining brunch from the North End. Carl Stevens, WBZ News Radio, 1030.